Mary, look at this. I ordered a desk organizer online. It arrives today.
Oh, nice. What does it look like?
The photo shows a big, beautiful organizer. Black, modern, very professional.
Sounds great. Did it arrive already?
Yes, the delivery guy just left it at reception.
So, open it. I want to see.
Okay, I'm opening it now.
Wait, is that it?
I think so.
John, that is tiny. It fits in my hand.
The photo was very misleading.
How much did you pay for this?
$40?
$40 for a toy?
It is not a toy. It is a very compact organizer.
It holds 2 pens, John. 2.
Okay, it is a bad purchase. I see that now.
Did you read the product description?
I looked at the photo. The photo was beautiful.
Next time, read the dimensions.
Yes, I will do that.
I know a good store near here. Real furniture. No surprises.
Please send me the address.
Of course. And John,
Yes?
nice toy.